In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Notion page using the / command. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to place a video right where you want it on any Notion page. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials with a few helpful tips to make the process smooth. First, go to Notion, open your Workspace in your web browser or the desktop app and make sure you're signed in. Give the page a second to fully load so all the editor tools are ready. Next, go to your page, navigate to the page where you want the video to appear, and click into the exact spot where you want to place it. If you're adding it between existing content, position your cursor on a new line so the block is inserted exactly in that location. Now for the key move, press the / key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's / command menu, which is the fastest way to insert blocks. Start typing the word video. You'll see the video block appear as a result. When you see it, press Enter. Notion will drop a video block into your page and immediately prompt you to add your file. Choose a video to upload from your computer. Select your file in the System dialog and confirm. Notion will begin uploading right away and show you a progress indicator. Keep the page open while it uploads and processes. Larger files will take longer depending on your connection. For the best results, use a common format like MP4 and make sure your file size fits within the limits of your Notion plan. Once the upload completes, Notion automatically embeds a video player in your page. You'll see the thumbnail, the play button, and standard playback controls. Click play to preview it. If you need to, you can pause, scrub through the timeline, or adjust volume directly from the embedded player. The video is now part of your page content and can be viewed by anyone with access to that page. If the / menu doesn't appear when you press the /, make sure your cursor is on a blank line, then try again. If your video won't upload, double-check the file type and size, and try a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. And that's it, done. You've added a video to your Notion page using the / command quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you add your own video.